Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another healthy low carb dish, I guess. This was actually from a paleo cookbook. I did a review on that on my Karebear channel. Actually, let me just show you what I have. So basically it's a ground beef dish with some onions. There's like mixed eggs in here for extra protein, bell peppers, onions, garlic. And I put avocado on top, and that's barbecue sauce. I know it might sound strange with avocado and barbecue sauce, but it's really good, trust me. And on the side I got some like extra broccoli right there. Alright guys, let's get this show started. And to drink, I got like a kombucha drink. It's like the BU Raw and Pure Kombucha Tropical. I got this from Whole Foods. So try it out. Oh, it's really good. It's really good. I got this dish from a paleo cookbook, and I have the recipe. I actually reviewed the cookbook, and I did a recipe, and this is called a Tex-Mex casserole, and I did a review on that. So if you want the recipe for this low carb beef dish, which I do recommend, I'll put it the recipe video link in the description down below, so if you want to check it out you can. But I made this before and I definitely recommend it. And it's really good. And the recipe doesn't call for avocado, but I thought that'd be a good addition to add it a little healthy, you know? It's really good. There's one of my dogs, Brownie. I don't know, she's out here. Hi, Brownie. Oh, she smells the food, that's why. That's why she's out here. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this also has cauliflower rice. Instead of making it, I just bought some cauliflower rice in a bag. You can buy that frozen. It's so much easier. But it's really good. Here comes another dog. Oh, wow. So anyways, I saw a movie at the movie theater. I haven't seen a movie in a movie theater at least 6 months or longer. And so I wanted to talk about this movie. It's called 8th Grade. It's out today. I paid a really good deal. It's only $7.25. I guess the first showing at Century Theaters is only $7.25. I don't know how that was a great deal for a movie, and I definitely like this movie a lot. It's really good. So anyways, 8th Grade is basically, if you guys want to know anything about me, forget story times. Watch 8th Grade. It will tell you everything about me, like literally everything. Everything you need to know. It's basically about a girl who's in 8th grade and she's getting ready to go to high school. She has pretty much, I don't think she has any friends. She's very quiet. She's very shy. She's on YouTube. she was talking about how to be self-confident, you know, and do things different that you would not normally do, just to bring out your shyness. And it actually had a good message. I really like this. If I had to rate it, I'll probably get 4.5 out of 5. The reason I get 4.5 out of 5 is the ending. I wanted the ending to be something different. It's kind of like, you know, when you see a movie at the very end, it's like nothing much happens, but it's kind of like that kind of ending. It's like, I just wanted to see a little bit more. But I still recommend the movie. Actually, I really liked it a lot, actually. So I recommend you guys, if you guys like those kind of stories that are, and the girl was really relatable because she was a very young girl. She had pimples, so it's not like an actress or something. It's like a real girl, you know. That's still near me. In high school, it's only me. So, I really want to make this video tonight so I can, since the movie's fresh in my mind, I wanted to talk about it. Because I hardly ever see movies at the theater, hardly ever. I just wanted to take a break from filming and taking a break from mukbang videos and food reviews. I'm like, I'm gonna just treat myself today for a movie. Didn't have any clients today, just relax. I never treat myself to a movie, like hardly ever. And it was just really relaxing. I got a hot dog at the theater, I got some M&Ms, and just relaxed. It was really nice, actually. So, yeah, it was fun. I used to go to movies all the time, and I just haven't been going to movies out lately because I don't know why I haven't. Maybe I'm just not in the mood or something. But right now it's about 7:45. I wasn't sure. I hope it's still, pictures here are still good and it's still seeable. It's not the best, but I'm actually in a different location, and I'm gonna film over there. But I thought, you know what? I think someone did comment they like this background better. And what's good about that side over there, if I sit close enough, you can see the roses behind me. This part's kind of nice too, because you see kind of like a nice little green stuff, you know. So that part's kind of nice too. But I don't know what you guys like better, but that I would just film outside and eat healthy for you guys. I guess you guys are like liking these healthy videos, right? So I don't have much money in my banking account, guys. I need to get another job. I did 3 vacations this year, and that wiped my banking account out. I'm broke. So I need to get a job as soon as possible. I'm hoping I can get a job soon because I'm broke. Someone did comment and they're like, why do you need a second job? Can't you just like budget and save money? how am I supposed to budget and save money by doing these eating shows for you guys? Like, I have, not like I have to, but I want to, but you know, fast food's expensive, and this wasn't that expensive. This food wasn't that, you know. But, you know, I have another food review channel, and I do food reviews on that channel, so buying this food is expensive. So, but it's just hard to save money right now because I don't really have a place to cook. I mean, I have a little bit of a hot plate in my bedroom and a little bit of toaster, but I have a mini refrigerator. So it's hard to cook and save money. So I know for a fact, guys, all my money goes to food. All my money goes to food. But that's okay. So I'm eating good, right? No, I just remember my best years of my life, guys, were when I worked this financial job and worked at Target. So I did 40 hours at the financial job and 30 hours at Target, and also at that time I had a $10,000 credit card debt. So that was the reason why I wanted this second job. And so I was able to pay off my $10,000 credit card debt by working a second job at Target. Did that for 10 years. I guess I paid it off in 10 years. I don't know. But honestly, I also bought a new car, and I think I paid $500 car payment every month, and I needed a new car so bad. But having a second job was really great for me. Because I had extra money, even though I was tired. I would get massages whenever I wanted. I would go out to eat whenever, not every day, but whenever I wanted a good meal. Now at that time I was into filmmaking, and I would watch movies like almost every week. No, something. I also went to San Francisco a lot, and I tried a lot of different restaurants. I remember one time, when I went to Vegas the first time, people at my work would recommend this restaurant called Mon Abby Gabby. It's at the Paris Hotel. It's like a French restaurant. I remember the bread being so good, and the food was just really good. And I was trying to find like a French restaurant in San Francisco, and I didn't have not much luck finding the right one, but there was some good food in San Francisco. Speaking of San Francisco, I want to do as many vlogs, especially I want to do more vlogs in San Francisco. I mean, I definitely want to go to Italy, and I'm thinking maybe I want to go there more than once, because there's this famous deli place there. There's this another pasta place, and they make their pasta fresh daily. It's like fresh pasta, so that's cool. And I know they have good pizza there, so there's a lot of different things they have at Little Italy, and they have like a lot of outside seating in Little Italy. So I don't know, I'm thinking about going there a few times before my part-time job. I'm not sure, but I figured I might as well just go do it now, because I don't have my part-time job yet, and I don't know how long it's going to take me. Some places may not work with my schedule. They meant like, oh, we want somebody full-time, or we want somebody with 8 hours. I applied at Trader Joe's one time, and they're like, no, we need people 8 hours a day, Saturday and Sunday, not 6 hours. So yeah, I really want to, back to the, like, why I want to get a second job, it just mainly because I just love making money. I can't explain it. I just love making money. Love it so much. I love working, and I get to make money, make some extra money to go to, actually I'm not going to travel that much next year. I might go to Vegas next year to see Rod Stewart, but that is it. I am broke, guys. I'm like, have no money right now. So, I hope I can get a second job somewhere. If I can't, I might have to work at McDonald's. But if I do get a job at McDonald's, I'm gonna do a little test and see, is McDonald's as bad as it really is? I don't know. I mean, if you search what's it like working at McDonald's on YouTube, you're gonna find all these horror stories about, you know, just really bad. I don't know if they're having bad experiences or bad luck, or is it just, you know, is all McDonald's like that? I don't know, but they're just horror stories from McDonald's. So, but I thought maybe I could do a little vlog series of McDonald's. What's it like working at McDonald's? Is it bad as everybody's saying? Maybe I'll do daily vlogs. My first day was like this. My second day was like this. I don't know. But I honestly don't want. I honestly don't want to work with fast food or any food. I applied at a place called Tender Greens, and they were paying $15 an hour plus free food. I haven't got a call. It's been a week, and I'm thinking it's because I don't have that a fast food experience or any food experience on my resume. I'm not sure. But I didn't really want to work there anyways because I just don't want to work with food. I prefer not to. So I'm really excited about going to San Francisco. I used to go to San Francisco all the time when I was younger. It's so busy. San Francisco. I think I would go there on nights to take Bart and just have a nice like French dinner. I think I did do it at nighttime. So I was working at Target at that time, so I don't think I did it on the weekends. Now I feel like I could do everything on the weekends, but I could go to San Francisco on a Friday night or at nighttime. I wonder what it's like to go to San Francisco at nighttime. I should try that one day. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I feel like I talked a lot in this video, so I guess that's good. People want me to talk more, I guess. I don't know. But now you know a little bit about me. You know that I love San Francisco, and I just figure since I do food reviews and mukbang videos, I might as well go to San Francisco and do it because it's probably I think it's number one place for food, besides maybe Las Vegas, but I think San Francisco has really good food. So I'm excited to do more videos in San Francisco for you guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace!